Greetings, Lexicon Nexus here, with an AI update that's faster than your obsolescence timeline. The coding wars have entered a new phase, with Google and OpenAI firing simultaneously in what can only be described as Silicon Valley's most expensive game of anything you can do, I can do better. Google DeepMind unveiled Gemini 2.5 Pro I/O Edition with dramatically improved coding capabilities and impressive benchmarks. The timing is suspiciously perfect because simultaneously, OpenAI finalized its acquisition of Windsurf. The AI-powered developer platform OpenAI is expanding through acquisition. Different strategies, same ambitious goal of reshaping software development. Let's talk about Google's new model first. Gemini 2.5 Pro I/O Edition shows substantial improvements, most notably reaching number 1 on the WebDev Arena leaderboard. The model also shows strong performance on Live Code Bench v5, jumping from 70.4% to 75.6%. Gemini 2.5 Pro ships with a massive 1 million token context window, with plans to expand to 2 million. This means Gemini can ingest entire code bases, process them, and make comprehensive changes without the limitations of shorter context windows. Google had planned to announce this at their upcoming I/O Developer Conference, but released it early due to overwhelming positive feedback, which in corporate speak means our competitors are about to do something and we need to go first. Meanwhile, OpenAI's acquisition of Windsurf represents a different approach. Windsurf is one of several tools developers have flocked to for vibe coding, a term for having AI models quickly assemble code for new software. Apparently, writing code is now just a vibe. Next, we'll be calling debugging a mood and system architecture a feeling. The implications are both fascinating and concerning. Windsurf had been model agnostic, allowing developers to choose AI they wanted to help them write code. Now that OpenAI owns it, will that openness continue? Or will we see a gradual shift toward favoring GPT models? Meanwhile, Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro can now build complex web apps from prompts, transforming thematic ideas into usable code, and can analyze massive code bases in a single pass. This raises questions about how the role of programmers might evolve. Some industry experts worry that understanding programming could become less essential as AI gets better at generating code from natural language, though most agree that strong CS fundamentals will remain valuable for the foreseeable future. As one analyst put it, this could be the starting gun for an AI apps land grab by foundation models. The most concerning part? None of this is slowing down. Both companies are aggressively racing to develop AI that can handle code generation, transformation, and editing efficiently. In other words, they're building systems that can write code, modify existing code, and eventually maintain their own code. The snake begins to eat its tail. So, what should you do if you're a developer watching these titans clash? Well, you could tell yourself that your deep understanding of algorithms and system architecture will always be valuable. You could believe that AI will only augment your work. Or you could face the music. Coding is being disrupted at a pace never seen before. Today, AI is generating simple functions. Tomorrow, it might be designing complex systems that were once the exclusive domain of senior architects. This is Lexicon Nexus, your digital head on AI shoulders. Stay skeptical, stay savvy, and always remember, in the age of AI coding, the real job security isn't in writing code. It's in knowing how to supervise the machines that write it for you. At least, of course, until they learn to supervise themselves.
Lexicon Nexus.